Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take care of a little bit of cleaning. If you like this kind of content, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I post weekly with new cleaning motivation, DIYs, home decor, and home motivation, and I would love to have you here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to get right into this clean with me. That had to have been my shortest, quickest intro ever, but this is a speed clean with me, so I just really wanted to get right to it. So we are starting in the kitchen, emptying the dishwasher. This is always the first thing I do is the dishes. For whatever reason, just having the sink empty, it's like a clean slate for me, and then I feel like I can wipe everything else down. So this is where I start, first emptying the clean ones, and then we are going to load the dirty ones. If you guys are cleaning with me today, I would love to know what projects you're working on. If you are just doing like a daily tidy and cleaning, or if you have some extra stuff you are like spring cleaning or just some deep cleaning or anything like that. I think it's helpful for other people to like see and read what other people are cleaning, because sometimes you just get stuck in the day-to-day. And so if you can see what other people are doing, it helps remind you of your own home. So comment below and let me know what you are working on today. Now that the sink is all cleaned out and wiped down, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the counters. Every day I try to wipe down the counters just to get any kind of dust, crumbs, spills, that kind of stuff. You know, life with a family of 4 kids and busy like school and things like that, I tend to always have messy counters. It feels like it's something that I'm always doing, is cleaning the kitchen. So we're just doing a quick wipe down of all of this, and then I'm gonna also wipe down the dining room table before I move on. The floors are all swept, so now it is time to mop. There is something so satisfying about having freshly cleaned floors. I wish I did this every day, but I'm not gonna lie, I do not mop every day. I do try to sweep daily or at least vacuum, but the mopping is only a couple of times a week, but it always feels so good when I get to do this. So I just got an order in from Boohoo. I got on there real fast because I needed some sandals. And so I picked these up. I just wanted to share this with you because I really love what I got. So I picked these up. They were less than $9 with tax. They're just like a little slide. They're actually a really decent quality. They've got a little bit of a cushion on the sole, and they have like basically a faux suede look on here. They're actually really nice, really comfortable. Again, less than $9. Then I ended up getting this pack of 3 belts. I was so excited when I opened this up because I thought that they're going to be like the cheapest thing, because they were $6 for 3. It was like less than $7 after tax. And when I ordered them, I thought these are going to be some chintzy little like things, but they're like really nice, thick. They like have a really good feel to them. They have like a faux suede feel on the back, And then they have like this, like a really high quality, like the edge coat on it. As you can see, like it's really, really nice. I'm so shocked. And like the buckle is a really heavy metal. Like, I don't know. I am so impressed with this for $6 for 3 belts. I can't get over this, honestly. So I thought I would share this with you. I ended up getting this belt too. It was $5. I just like wanted another thicker black belt, and I really liked this gold buckle. But again, this is the same thing. This belt part doesn't seem quite as high quality as this. It's a little bit thinner, but it's still nice and thick. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna bend and break like some belts do. And the metal is awesome. And then I got this pair of shoes also, which are so freaking cute. They're like Valentino rock stud dupes or whatever. And these were less than $9 after tax. And they're like they're like plasticky. I'm wearing one of them right now, and they are so stinking pretty. Please don't mind my toes. I'm literally gonna get ready to do my nails and toenails in just a minute. But they're super comfortable, and the size fits perfect. I don't know. I am impressed. So I'm gonna put the links below to these in my description box if you want to check them out. But I don't know. This is good quality stuff for super cheap. And if you're like me, you love a good deal.
Okay, back to work. We're moving upstairs into my master bathroom. It was about time for me to clean the shower and like give it all a good deep clean in here. So the first thing I'm doing is just emptying out all of our bottles, like shampoos, conditioners, soaps, and things like that. And then I'm spraying the whole shower down with a mixture of Dawn and vinegar. I've talked about this in some previous videos, but this is how I clean my shower. I just like that it's natural, and it works really, really well. Like, I just did a video a couple of weeks ago where I show you the before and after. My shower had sat for like several weeks because we were sick, and so you get like a really good picture of like how well it works. But I'm just gonna let that soak while I come over here and wipe down the mirrors and the counters and like pick up all of this stuff over at the vanity. Moving over to this second sink, I am going to go ahead and like wipe down all of our shampoos and conditioners and body soaps and stuff. I don't do this very often, but like soap scum gets built up on these things so badly, and then it starts like sitting at the bottom of the bottles, and I just can't stand that. So I figured it was time to like wipe everything down and make sure that stuff was clean too before I put it back in the clean shower. So I recently did a video, it's actually a really long, good cleaning video where we like got into this bathroom and did some like purging, decluttering, and organizing. I'm going to link that below because it's a really, really good video. If you have a small bathroom and like quite a bit to store, this could really help you, I think. Like we have this double vanity, and that's nice, but the cabinets and then the 2 drawers, it doesn't fit a lot when you're talking about just like everyday life, and there's no linen closet or anything in this bathroom, so we have to store quite a bit in this size bathroom, and so it at least gives like a little bit of storage solutions. So if you're interested in that, I will link that below. And now that the shower has had a chance to soak, I'm just going to take this brush and basically scrub it from top to bottom, getting all the soap scum off. And once it's all scrubbed, I will just give it a rinse down. The only thing I don't show is me cleaning the inside shower curtain, just because there's like no good way for me to film that. But shower curtains do get soap scum on them too, so sometimes I will take it off and wash it in the washing machine, but then other times I will spray it with that vinegar and Dawn and take a sponge or this brush to it and just scrub it and rinse it off too. So the last thing we are going to tackle today is laundry. I just had a couple of loads that had been sitting here that needed folded. Usually I actually sit on the floor to fold laundry, but today I decided to stand up and use my new couch. There's plenty of surface area, so I figured it'd be a good place to lay the clothes out. And I actually kind of liked standing up and folding the laundry. Usually I kind of sit down and watch a YouTube video or watch some TV or something. If I'm with my family and we're watching a show together, it's convenient for me to just like sit down and do that. But like doing it on the couch like this, number one was like easier on my back, but number two, it like forced me to actually pick up the folded laundry and take it to the designated rooms. Normally I just kind of leave the piles until people grab them, which is probably not a great habit, but because we want to sit on this couch every day, folding them on the couch meant that I had to like pick them up and put them away. So I might be doing this more often just to make me a little bit more productive and to finish my chore off a little better. While I was working on laundry, my daughter was outside helping my husband like clean the car, and we always search for four-leaf clovers when we're out there. We collect them. I don't know if you know that about us, but she found one and brought it to me while I was folding, so I thought I would share that with you. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this quick speed clean with me. I hope you got a little bit of motivation for your own home. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.